Hello friends, in this lecture we will see area milling, that contour area, and one part we have already seen, and in this part we will see some more option about this more contour area. And first I'm going to define a tool. I'm using a ball mill for this finishing. Point 2 is my tool, and float length and length, tool numbering. And if you want to specify the holder, so go to this library, and under this library you will find this holder search and OK. And I'm using this medium compression tool holder. Click OK. OK. So select this contour area option, and my tool is this ball mill, and I'm directly creating under this MCS mill because I have not generated any workpiece, and this is my finishing operation. So here by default steep and non-steep is there. So first I'm going to define the cut area. So my cut area is this steep on some non-steep surfaces. Okay, and my part, because workpiece we haven't defined, so you have to specify this part from this under this geometry option. From the main I'm using steep and non-steep, and this time I'm selecting this angle as 45 degree, and order this tool path will start from the steep first, and zigzag is my cutting pattern, and this step over by default it is 10, so I'm going to increase it up to 20, and my cut pattern is specified with 0. Okay, it will start from 0 angle, and for the steep I'm using 10, 50 and 5. Okay, that's all, no problem, just generate and let's see the result. Okay, so the toolpath is generated for the steep and non-steep area. It is defined by this angle. Okay, if the angle is more than 45 degree, all the faces are steep and rest are non-steep. Okay, and let's see the preview. Okay, just click it. Okay,